I bought this seal puller at Harbor Freight. It's a 63039. They were having a 30% off sale on items under $10. So I picked this up because we're changing the seals and bearings out on a Jeep AX-15. It's kind of cool. It comes with an extra one. I mean, I've seen extra puller part that'll attach to it. I think if you break the thing, or if it I think if you break it, I thought it might be a different size or something, but it looks like it's the exact same. So it's just an extra one. So let's see how it works. Got the front cover where the clutch goes. Right here. There we go. Worked for that one. There we go. And then we'll hit this one now. There we go. Work for that rear cover also. So works pretty good. It's got a screw so you can switch the thing out. I think I ended up paying like $5 for it with a 30% discount. Pretty happy with it. Helped me out on this AX-15. Got both seals changed out. Look for more videos.